Good evening students. Today my topic is about gametogenes. My channel name is Biocent. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Now let us come into the topic. Gametogenesis. So what is gametogenesis? See, gametogenesis means formation of male and female gametes. Formation of male and female gametes. So, what are the male gametes? Sperm cells. And what are the female gametes? Egg cells. How the male and female gametes are formed. So, especially in this video, we will discuss about the male gametes. See, formation of male gametes is called spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis. So, what is spermatogenesis? Formation of male gametes in male reproductive system. It is called as a spermatogenesis. But what about female gametes? Formation of female gametes is called oogenesis. See, gametogenesis is majorly two types. One is spermatogenesis, second one oogenesis. What is spermatogenesis? The formation of the sperm cells or male cells is called spermatogenesis. The formation of the ovum or egg cells is called oogenesis. So in this video, I will discuss about first spermatogenesis. What is spermatogenesis? How it occurs? Spermatogenesis. See, actually the sperm formation occurs in the inside of the seminiferous tubules. The arrangements which are present in the seminiferous tubule, we will notice that arrangements. We will take the diagram of TS of seminiferous tubule. TS of seminiferous tubule. Here I will take one seminiferous tubule and cut the seminiferous tubule. The transfer section of seminiferous tubule, we will notice the important arrangements. See, this is the structure of the TS of seminiferous tubule. See, this is the TS of seminiferous tubule. Then inside of the seminiferous tubule, a huge cells are present here, like this. A huge cells are present inside of the seminiferous tubules, like this. And these huge cells, they are attached on the edges of the cell. See, this is the edge of the cell. Here this is the edge of the cell. Here this is the edge of the cell. This is edge of the cells. So this is these kind of cells, these huge cells, we are called as a Sertoli cells. See, each cell we are called as a Sertoli cells. So these are called Sertoli cells. So for understanding purpose, I will draw like here. See, this is called one Sertoli cell. Like this, all are called Sertoli cells. So in between the Sertoli cells, see, these are the two Sertoli cells. In between the Sertoli cell, here some gap is available here. See, these are the Sertoli cells. In between the Sertoli cells, here some gap is present. See, this gap, it consists of one important arrangement here, like this. In between the Sertoli cells, some special arranged cells are present here. See, this is called Sertoli cell and this is called spermatogonium. Spermatogonium. So, the spermatogonium is a male germ cell. So, it is also called male germ cell. So, in between the Sertoli cells, some specialized structures are present. These specialized structures are called spermatogonium. Okay, the spermatogonium is responsible for the sperm cells. So, it is also called male germ cells. How the spermatogonium it produce the male cells? See here, I will take the one spermatogonium here for the understanding purpose. See, for suppose these are the spermatogonium cells. I will take few cells here. See, these are the spermatogonium cells. So, this is called what? Spermatogonium. So, the spermatogonium cell, it participates in mitosis here, mitosis. So, the spermatogonium is a 2n in condition. Which condition it is? 2n. That means 46 chromosomes are present. So, the 46 chromosome containing spermatogonium, this is called what? Spermatogonium, it participates in mitosis. All spermatogonium cells, they are participate in mitosis here. They participate in mitosis. Then what will happen here? The spermatogonium, it converts into the primary spermatocytes. See, these two cells are produced from the mitosis here. These two cells are we are called as a primary spermatocyte. Primary spermatocyte. So, these cells are called primary spermatocytes. Then, these primary spermatocytes are also in a 2n condition. Then, these spermatocytes, again they will participate in a meiosis. Already you know very well, meiosis means it is not a single process. It consists of majorly two subphases. What are the first one? Meiosis one. So, the primary spermatocyte, it involves in the meiosis one here. See, here the primary spermatocyte, it involves in the meiosis one. So, due to the result of meiosis one, here the new cells are formed. So, these new cells are called secondary spermatocyte. Secondary spermatocytes. So, these are called secondary spermatocytes. So, these secondary spermatocytes are in haploid condition. Then again, the same secondary spermatocytes, they are participating in the meiosis 2. This spermatocyte, secondary spermatocyte, participate in meiosis 2. Due to the result of the meiosis 2, here 4 cells, each cell divide into 4 daughters. Already you know, after the completion of the meiosis, each cell it produces the 4 daughter cells. Here 4 daughter cells are formed in the result of the meiosis. These 4 daughter cells we are called as a spermatids. Spermatids. So after that, each spermatid they develops into a particular shape which is look like a sperm, like this. So each spermatid it modified and it gets some particular shape. So such kind of arrangement we are called as a spermatozoa. See, this is called spermatozoa. So each spermatid it modified into, it develops into spermatozoa. They change their shape and arrangement like this. So this kind of arrangement we are called as a spermatozoa. Spermatozoa. So see, from the spermatogonium into spermatozoa, there are so many changes will occur. The male germ cell spermatogonium it develops into spermatozoa. This process is called spermatogenesis. So what is spermatogenesis? Actually the spermatogonium. So spermatogonium develops into spermatozoa or spermatozoa. So this process is called spermatogenesis. So this is called what? Spermatogenesis. Next one more thing is also there here. So spermiogenesis. Another one is called spermiogenesis. What is spermiogenesis means? The spermatids it modified into spermatozoa. That process is called spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis. See, what is spermiogenesis? Spermatids modified into spermatozoa. That process is called spermiogenesis. So spermatids modified into spermatozoa. Spermatozoa or sperm. This process is called spermiogenesis. Like this. The sperms are formed from the spermatogonium. They are participate in both mitosis and meiosis. After completion of the meiosis, finally the spermatids are modified into, or it gets some special shape and size, and finally they are converted into spermatozoa. So this is about the spermatogenesis. Okay, now coming to the sperm structure, how the sperm is look like and what is its function. Coming to the structure of sperm. See, structure of sperm. See how the sperm is look like. I will draw the diagram of the sperm here. See, this is the structure of a sperm. The sperm consists of majorly four parts. What are they? See, from here to here, the full portion is called head. This is called head, and the head consists of majorly two parts. What are they? One is called, uppermost part is called acrosome. The acrosome consists of majorly enzymes. So which type of enzymes are present in the acrosome means it consists of hydrolytic enzymes. Hydrolytic enzymes. So what is the importance of acrosome means the acrosome helps to fertilize the egg. Fertilize the egg with the help of hydrolytic enzymes. So this is about the acrosome. Then below the acrosome a long nucleus is present. That is means elongated nucleus. Elongated nucleus is present. Already you know inside of the nucleus consists of chromosomes. So chromosomal material is present. Chromosomal material is present in the nucleus. And also here you have to remember one thing. So which type of nucleus? It is a haploid nucleus. Very important. The sperm cell consists of which type of nucleus? Haploid nucleus or diploid nucleus? What is the answer? Haploid nucleus. So this is about the nucleus and acrosome. Okay, now coming to the lower part of the head. The lower part of the head, it is called as a neck. This name is called neck. Here the neck consists of majorly two centrioles are present here. Here one centriole is present and here one centriole is present. So these two types of centrioles are present in the neck region. So what is the name of these centrioles means? So this centriole is called proximal centriole. Proximal centriole. And below the proximal centriole, one more centriole is there. This is called distal centriole. Distal centriole. Okay. The neck region, it consists of two types of centrioles. What are they? one is called proximal centriole and second one is called distal centriole. So here the distal centriole, it forms a flagella into the tail region like this. This is called a flagella. So the distal centriole, it forms the flagella. So this flagella is helpful for the movement of the tail. So movement of tail. So the tail movement is depends upon the flagella. The flagella helps to moving the tail of the sperm cell. Okay, now coming to the next part. This part of the sperm is called middle piece. Middle piece. So here the middle piece consists of here some important mitochondria present here. So in this region mitochondria are present here. Like this, the arrangement of the mitochondria, they are arranged in different arrangement. They have different arrangement of the mitochondria. So inside of here, number of mitochondria are present. Already you know very well what is the role of mitochondria. The mitochondria participate in cellular respiration. Cellular respiration, and it release the ATP. ATP means what? Energy. So this energy is utilized by the sperm cells. This energy is utilized by the sperm cells. So the sperm cells get energy from the mitochondria, which are present in inside of the middle piece. So this kind of arrangement of the mitochondria we are called as a Nebenkern arrangement. So they are arranged like this. So this kind of arrangement. This kind of arrangement of the mitochondria we are called as a Nebenkern arrangement. So Nebenkern arrangement. Okay, now coming to the next part is called tail. The tail helpful for the swimming. So this is called tail. It helps for the swim in the body fluids of the male reproductive system into female reproductive system. So then it enters into the female reproductive system. It fertilizes the egg. After fertilization, the egg develops into zygote and then embryo after implantation. Okay, you have to remember one thing. Here in the male reproductive system consists of important glands are present. What are the glands are present? Already you know very well, seminal vesicles, prostate gland and also bulbourethral glands. So these three gland secretions we are called as a semen. Very, very important. So the semen provide nutrition to the sperm cells. So the semen provide the nutrition to the sperm cells. So the semen consists of majorly three gland secretions. What are they? Seminal vesicle secretions, prostate gland secretion and also bulbourethral gland secretions. So what is the percentage of these gland secretions mean? See, nearly 60% of the semen, 60% of the semen consists of seminal vesicle fluids. seminal vesicle fluids. Remember. So, how much percentage of seminal vesicle fluid consists of semen? 60% of the semen consists of seminal vesicle fluids. Then next one, then 10% of the semen consists of sperm cells. See, 10% sperm cells. Remaining 30% of the semen consists of the prostate and bulbourethral gland secretions. So, prostate and bulbourethral glands secretions. So, this is the composition of the semen. Overall, semen provides the nutrition to the sperm cells, and this is the structure of the sperm cells: head, neck, middle piece, tail. Head consists of two portions. Upper portion is called acrosome. Lower portion is called elongated nucleus. So, acrosome is responsible for fertilization, and nucleus consists of chromosomal material. So, it participates in the fertilize the egg. Then coming to the neck region, it consists of two types of centrioles. The uppermost centriole is called proximal centriole, and lower side is called distal centriole. The distal centrioles, it forms the elongated flagella throughout the tail. This flagella helps to giving the movement of the tail. Then in the middle piece consists of a special arrangement of mitochondria. This arrangement of the mitochondria which is present in the middle piece, this is called Nebenkern arrangement. And also the mitochondria provide nutrition, energy. And also the end portion of the sperm is called tail. The tail helps to moving into the female external genitalia and also female reproductive system. So this is about the structure and function of the sperm cell, and this is about the composition of the semen. So next we are going to discuss about the oogenesis. The oogenesis process. What is oogenesis? The formation of ovum is called oogenesis. The oogenesis process I will discuss in the next class. Okay students, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.